So you've been told repeatedly that the money is in the list. That is true. However, far too many business owners struggle with this concept. Have you been struggling to build a list that converts into sales? Or maybe you've tried and couldn't even build a list. Either way, you can actually do it if you're willing to take the time to follow this blueprint. Now, I must warn you though, while it can send you a ton and a flood of highly targeted buyer quality traffic, it does take some work. But if you are the 1% of action takers out there, then this is for you. You'll learn a specific strategy that is often untapped because people don't want to take action. So finally, you're going to discover how to build a highly profitable list by using this untapped viral strategy starting today. Now, this video course will take you behind the scenes to help you understand how to build a high converting list by leveraging other people's lists. Now, here's a quick video's overview of what you're going to learn inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction and quick overview. Video number 2 is different types of customer lists. Now, we're really only going to focus on one, and that we'll be talking about in video number 3, the highest converting list and how it all works. Video number 4, we're going to talk about formula for high value thank you offers. Video number 5, we're going to talk about finding vendors to piggyback on so that you're able to find people that can essentially build your list. But as we always say, it is a two-way street. So half of the video course is going to really be focusing on how to make vendors say yes. And that's why we'll be focusing on video number 6, which is vendor and buyer analysis, so we can understand the vendor and the buyer itself. And then video number 7, we'll talk about creating high quality thank you offers. And video 8 and 9, we'll focus on strategies to help you build your list via the vendors and via as an affiliate. So go ahead and grab this video course now and access it immediately after your purchase. No waiting in line, even if it's 4 a.m. in the morning, you'll have instant access to this course in no time at all.